Hey guys, Norm with Bearable Traders, May 6, 2019. This is my update. This is my second recap for the day, and I'm really done now. But so I had the trade in the morning that I've already recapped. Ran up, it pulled back and bounced right in here. It looked stronger than it seemed to be, and then it had this beautiful tap of VWAP. Ran up almost to previous day close, so this almost looks like a little bit of a double top, like descending high here, which it's now trying to break through and make a high of day. So I just felt this was really strong. Saw it try and hesitate at VWAP to break through. Went ahead and see if I could take a little bit of it. I partialed into this. I scaled into this trade a little bit at VWAP because I didn't know how far it would go through. My stop was at this 200 moving average on the 2 minute. So I put a little bit on just under VWAP and then a little bit more, like 206.60, 206.50, the half number, or just under that, and was a half number, and it was the moving average here, which you can see it almost touched. I would have been out of it immediately, but went ahead and started running. I wanted to take it off right above 208. It also coincided with the 60-minute moving average as it approached that. The 30-minute, which is what I found it was following the best, was the 9 on the 60-minute. But you can also see there were some other moving averages in play here, that it was riding the 15.9 all day long. So anyway, I had one other little trade. I didn't know if it would go that far or not. I slowly moved my stop up to make sure that once it got back to my break even, I was still in the trade. You can see it's still running. It's got $3 to previous day close, but wouldn't surprise me if it got there. It still looks really strong. Probably finish down like 1% and make it, a non-event for the day. Nobody will look back this massive sell-off we had at the open or in pre-market and think anything of it. Frankly, it's only even if it only finishes 1.5% down where it is now, it's really just a footnote in history. So anyway, wanted to throw that update out. No fancy intro or anything like that on this one, but have a great day. See you in the morning. Trade safe. Thanks for watching.